Connor's got a home. You go ahead and shut your front door. You got stuff in there.
Okay, Mom.
Can Diochi come in?
No.
Oh, that's so sad.
I don't.
The door. Oh, there's a door. No wonder she can't go in, huh? Door!
I'll go, Gigi.
Doji, you go in the door.
I want it.
Oh, it's not working.
I'll go. But this is.
Okay.
I'll go. I'm ready.
You can't go. You're trapped. You're stuck. Connor's stuck in his house. There he goes. Doji, he wants you to come in the house. You can't force her to do anything, can you? Yeah, the house. Okay, Doji? Yeah.